This is our recent trip to Las Vegas where we worked at an event.
And we took a flight from LAX to Las Vegas by Spirit Airline. This is the first time we use this airline, now taking off from LAX.
Okay, here we go. This is us leaving LAX.
In night sky, you will see a lot of airplanes on the right hand side while we taking off.
See us banking over the city here as we're turning towards Las Vegas.
Yeah, you can see something brownish underneath.
It's a desert.
Now at Las Vegas airport, and you can see a lot of hotels right there. And you will see the hotel at the Strip and Sphere. And we are leaving Las Vegas airport to the hotel, and there's a big parking structure on the left hand side, and you will see the Mandalay Bay like goldish, and there is a Luxor, the pyramid shape.
This is us arriving at our room at the Conrad. It's a really nice hotel. I'd recommend it to anyone. First step inside, here's the restroom. Fully glassed in shower and also toilet area. It's really high class. There's a mirror behind us there. That's where the toilet is inside the glass enclosure there. It's really classy. As you can see here, there's even a painting inside. So we're really impressed by this because this is probably the nicest hotel that we've stayed in so far since working at all types of events. This is by far the best one. It just exudes class, and that says a lot for Las Vegas. We are walking in. You see the Dunkin' Donuts because we were kind of starved after the flight because Spirit is the airline where you have to basically pay for everything. So we just waited till we got to the airport and we bought some munchkins, little tiny donut holes, at Dunkin' Donuts. There's more of the room you see here. You'll see outside very soon. There's a pool here below. You can see it there. Part of it, you'll see it. You can look out, see the different other hotels and things on the strip. See the Goodyear blimp flying by, which is really cool to see. It's always good to see that. Always gives me a good feeling. See the skyline and more of Las Vegas on the strip proper. If you look down, these are the pools below. We're on the 21st floor. This is our view from the 21st floor. Do you visit the strip often? I mean, let us know in the comments, but I'm not a Las Vegas person for the most part, but this was actually a really nice stay. Especially the first 3 days were extremely cool. So it was really nice walking around during the daytime and at night. And that's a view of the hotel there, the Conrad. You can see it there. That's like classic old Las Vegas. This is all part of the strip. Encore Hotel.
And we just get out of the hotel and walking down on Strip, but you know the Strip is so long and then you can't walk too far, so we kind of stayed away from like 2-3 hotels away from ours and just enjoy what's going on. And we use the escalator to go over the bridge and see the traffic and other hotels like a night view. It's not too busy, but yeah, it's really nice to walk outside. It was not too hot and then cool. And this is the bar in the hotel. It's really fancy. And this is the left hand side, and they're gonna open the like hot pot place soon. And we waited for this emoji sphere type thing for a couple minutes because we missed it, and then we wanted to record this to show you. So that was a wait time, but it was to wait. So this is the first day of the event. This is WWE WrestleMania.
How many of you are WWE fans or old-time wrestling fans? What's really fun about this also is there weren't just U.S. wrestlers. There were a lot of Japanese wrestlers here as well. That was really surprising to see and also very, very cool. So if you know anything about Japanese wrestling, I actually knew most of the people that are in there now that are new. I know the Japanese wrestlers. I didn't know very many of the wrestlers that are in now, except of course like John Cena, The Rock. Everyone knows them. But that was pretty much it. And this is the entrance hall. We're coming in. Here's all the titles. But what's nice about these, though, these are actually other sporting events and colleges and things. So these aren't WWE. This was really nice to see this entire case full of these. It's beautiful, beautiful work. Even if you're a fan of other things, you can still enjoy it.
This is the second day. Morning, we were walking from hotel to the convention center. Convention center is just right there, but you will see how far it is. It's about like 15 minutes walk. And it's relatively close. And this is the view when we get to the convention center and we see the hotel and blue sky. 2日目終わったらタクシーで移動しました。
This is us taking the taxi to Planet Hollywood. We're headed south on the strip. You can see all the hotels there on the side. I think that's the Wynn. The next you'll see, well, Beach Club, things like that. That's the Palazzo, I believe. And away we go.
And the palazzo right next to it is a Venetian with gondola and a shopping center. It's really nice. You will see right here on the left-hand side.
As it goes, you'll see what go past. You'll see Harrah's there on the right.
Yeah, it's a huge hotel. And then you will see Walgreens, Denny's, and White Castle, famous for the sliders. And lots of restaurants around here. Also, Harrah's.
Yeah, looks like there's McDonald's. Lots of things. There's so much to see. It's basically just like these bright, shiny things to distract you. But there's just so much of it. It's kind of like sensory overload. I know some people love it because it's glitzy and glamorous, but it doesn't really do much for me. Like you see it one time, you kind of seen it all. But some of the older things, like the Flamingo, where you're running to, that's kind of interesting to see because it's like old Las Vegas. It's a contrast to the new ones. The old ones are really kind of old and trashy, but it's fun. The new ones are more just like modern, kind of like, yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, I like the Flamingo Hilton pink sign.
So the last day of the show, we worked a total of 5 days there. Here we are coming back into the entrance hall.
So this is outside of the hotel, other side, and then we were walking towards to the Mexican restaurant for the dinner.
This is us walking on the strip, pretty much the last night, with our other coworkers from the event. We walked. Well, you'll see. We walked quite a distance. We walked roughly 2/3 of the strip from where we were. But you can see things like this. And that place was amazing. It was so cool by the water. Here we are on the very last day. We're heading down to check out. You can see the pool below. Saying goodbye to the hotel. Here we are in Las Vegas Airport. Getting ready to go back home to LA. Our first time ever flying into Las Vegas Airport. So that was pretty fun. Here we are, basically, we're being pushed back, getting ready to taxi for takeoff. Listen, I love being over the wing because you can see everything working. This is really cool. Here we go.
I think that's the leaders.
And here we are basically over Las Vegas, flying out. Love how it says howdy there on the winglets. Very cool. Still over Las Vegas here. We're leveling out, still climbing. Beautiful view. You see all the desert and everything, how dry it is. Here we are coming to LA. You see the flaps are down. We're about to touch down. You'll see the spoilers. This is the actuators in just a moment. Notice the flaps give you more lift, makes the wing seem like it's bigger than it is, and the spoilers kill lift, so it helps you drop. Here they are. Spoilers are being actuated. The actuators are working there, so we're coming to a stop. Touchdown. We're taxiing. It's LAX. You can see the main tower there in the distance, and we are basically home at this point. There we are, and you see the aircraft leaving there. Really fun time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.
見てくれてありがとう。